Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 13. This is Section 1.9, Problem 13. It says, find the final answer for the following exponential expression. And we have 1 to the 8th power. So 1 raised to the 8th power would be 8 ones multiplied together. That should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, since they're all times 1, it doesn't really matter if I have 8 or 9 or 5. 1 times 1 is 1, times the next one is 1, and the times the next one is 1. It's going to be, just stay 1, because you multiply everything times 1. So 1 to the 8th power, or really any power, is equal to 1.